Family and Friends, 2nd edition, Starter.
Hello and welcome back to our English program. Today's unit is Unit 4. This is My Mom. Lesson 3. Sounds and Letters. Listen, trace, and point. Repeat. But first, let's listen to me. Letter J. J, jug. One more time. Letter J. J, jug. Next word. Letter J. J, juice. Letter J. J, juice. Now, let's learn how to trace letter J's together. Grab your pencil and trace along with me. Letter J. Letter J. Now, after we learn how to trace letter J's together, let's listen and repeat after me. Jug. J, jug. Jug. J, jug. Juice. J, juice. Juice. J, juice. Now let's listen and chant.
Juice, juice, juice. Juice in a jug. Jug. Juice in a jug. Jug. Juice in a jug. J. Juice in a jug.
Now, moving on to our next section. Stick, then circle and say. Now let's take a look at our sticker. This is a sticker of letter J. Now, let's take a look at our picture, where the sticker of this letter J belongs to. Is it right here or right here? That's right, it's right over here. Letter J. So take this sticker and stick it right over here. Next, letter J. This is where you should stick the letter J. So get the sticker right here and stick it to this place. Letter J. Now, circle and say. Let's take a look at this sentence. Juice in a jug. Now, find the letter J and circle it together. Get your pencil. Do you find the letter J yet? That's right. It's in the word juice. J. Juice. So circle the letter J. Now, do you find one more letter J in this sentence? That's right. It's right over here. Letter J. Jug. So get your pencil once again and circle the letter J. Now you have circle all the letter J's in this sentence. So we can move on to our next section, which is join the letter J and put the juice in a jug. Let's take a look at our picture right here. This is our juice, and right over here is our jug. Now, let's connect all the letter J's together. First J. Let's take a look at our second row. Is this letter J? That's right, it is. So get your pencil and connect this J to this J. And we got this. Now let's take a look at our next row. Where is the letter J? Is this the letter J? That's right, it is. So now get your pencil once again and connect this J to this J. Alright, moving on to the next row. Is this letter J? No, it is not. What about this? Is this letter J? It is letter J. Get your pencil once again, connect this J to this J. Alright, next row. Is this letter J? No, it's not. What about this? Is this letter J? It is also not letter J. What about this? Is this letter J? That's right, it is letter J. Now connect the last J to the new J that we have just found. Now, take a look at our last row. Do you spot the letter J yet? That's right. This is letter J. So now connect the last J to our J that we have just found. Now, we have finally put the juice inside the jug. So have you done completing and connecting all the letter J's together? If you're done, we have come to an end of our lessons for today. Thank you.